feel like I've just dropped a whole bunch of baggage. Back to 50 is what I wear when I'm out and about in the sun. And you might be wondering, where are we? We're in Southampton, or near Southampton, at this fishing place. Me and a friend are going for some lunch. We're gonna chill out, have a little picnic, relax, do a bit of fishing. Been coaching this morning, gonna be heading to the gym later on to do legs. Can't wait, didn't do legs last week, didn't put it in the vlog. Hopefully gonna try and get squats in. So hopefully film some content and see you guys at the gym. Hi everyone, leg day, haven't filmed anything. Finishing up on a reverse leg extension ham curl equivalent. So if you don't have a hamstring curl machine or a laying leg curl or some sort of variation, I'm going to set the camera up and show you guys how you can do this on the leg extensions. Give that one a go if you haven't tried it. It's killer. Does he really go through all the effort to get the sick ass angles for you guys? Of course I do. Sipping on a white monster, pre-gym. I might get a workout or I might just go and chill in the spa. But let's just have a look, shall we? Feeling like I'm wearing this grey combo in every video right now. In every single scene. Anyway, back at Roco. Haven't been here for a while. Decided to get a little bit of a half membership, didn't we? We'll see how we get on. Might film some content, might just chill in the spa. My legs were quite tired after yesterday. I didn't really film much of the workout, so I apologise for that. But if you guys want like full leg workouts and like full body workouts in general, then just let me know, and I'll make a vlog.
Can you just describe what happened in the incident?
Yeah, so we were in basically very, very slow moving traffic. It was very stop start. He put the brakes on, so did I, but I hit him based on the fact that I went far too quickly.
I'm only filming today is 2 exercises for bicep and tricep press downs on the machines because it's too busy and I got about 10 minutes ready to go. I'll just film this little clip just to sort of put into the video somewhere to let you know that even when you're feeling shit, talk to someone, open up and let people in, and that will be the best thing for a lot of people. And sometimes that could be your closest person, that could be your friend, your girlfriend, your lover, your parents, or whoever, but it could also be a complete stranger. It could be someone you know from social media, it could be someone you've met in the street, it really doesn't matter. But if you do that, if you talk to people, especially good people, and you surround yourself with good people, you'll really start to see successes in your life. So choose the people that you surround yourself with carefully. The point of this clip is just to let you guys know that when you're doing shit, eventually you'll come out feeling positive, you'll come out feeling driven, feel like I've just dropped a whole bunch of baggage, and a weight has been lifted just from getting myself and talking to someone and opening up about the stresses and the things that I've been panicking about and why I've been in a bad place and haven't been able to sort stuff out. And I can't really tell you why or what it is or even how, because I honestly don't know. It's not like I don't want to tell you, so I don't know. And if you've ever felt like you don't know why you feel a certain way, you just do. Just roll with it. Sometimes if you try too hard to come out of it, and you make your life more stressful. That's all I've got to say. It's almost 10 o'clock. Got a big day ahead of us tomorrow, so I'm going to get some rest and check in with you guys tomorrow or something. If you enjoyed this sort of really open conversation, then feel free to drop a like. It means a lot.
Come on, that's yours, that's yours. Yeah. Come on, up, 7, easy, all that. Up, yeah, yours. Left, eccentric, feel it, up, good. Yeah, up, go, good. One more, and go, good. Up, good, there's more, let's go. Come on, up, good, more. There's more than the tank, mate, let's go. Drive, good.
Alright everyone, Impure I'll take you through the workout for today. Full workout's on the screen, give it a go, try it out. It's Tom's program. I jumped in and just wanted to take today as like a bit of a fuck around day. It's a bit of a deload, so we're just doing like a volume pump set effectively. But today has been back, a bit of shoulders, a bit of chest, a bit of everything. So if you want to do it, give it a go, screenshot it, and then we'll go from there. I'll see you guys for food after the workout or tomorrow or something, I don't know.